You gotta be so motivated to suck dick to get a refrigerator. Like, first off, who has a refrigerator box just laying around, right? They don't get delivered in refrigerator boxes
Well,
anymore.
they don't?
No, you got to go like get one at Home Depot in the back and pick them up. Or if you get one
How do
delivered.
you know where to get refrigerator boxes?
Good question.
Ryan's whole face just turned red.
He's like, busted. Shit.
Whoops.
I was only the leader for 1 year. That was it. but you got to be really motivated to like get a refrigerator box, tape it all up so it stands up, cut a hole, crawl your ass inside it, and like position yourself, and then record. I'm like, that's a lot of effort just to suck dick. I wouldn't go through that much effort to get my dick sucked.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
That's a lot.
So you must be either really ugly or definitely a dude.
And gay. Definitely.
That's probably
Kind of a prerequisite.
where was Chris Beck when this is going on?
Oh, man.
Probably in the refrigerator box.
Right.